Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied some informative DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will learn about some more informative DAX functions. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this custom data DAX function. So let's go to the Microsoft reference page and now read the definition guys. It returns the content of the custom data property in the connection string. And this DAX function has no parameter. After applying this DAX function, here we can see what we get in return. The content of the custom data property in the connection string, it's blank. If custom data property was not defined at connection time. So that means if we are not defined the custom data property, it will displaying as blank. And now let's go to the practical page. So here we will apply this DAX function which is custom data. Go here in new measure and let me replace this as custom data. And now I will write my DAX function which is custom data and close the bracket and press enter. So here is the measure guys, and now let me drag and drop it here and convert into card visual. So here we can see guys our result is blank. And now go to the Microsoft reference page. So if we are not defining that custom data property, so the answer would be blank. And now let's go to the example here. So here you can see the example guys. So let me copy this query from here and paste it from the same DAX function. So let me remove it from here and simply paste it here and press enter. So here we can see guys, it is showing no custom data in connection, string property or unexpected value. That means it is displaying the second value. Because if result is false, so it will displaying the second value. So here result is false guys. That's why displaying the second value. Now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is has one value. So let's go to the Microsoft reference page to understand this has one value. So here you can read the definition guys. It returns true when the context of column name has been filtered down to one distinct value only, otherwise is false. And here is only one parameter guys. Go to the Power BI desktop to understand this formula. So here is the practical page guys, and I will apply one DAX function from here. So our function name is has one value. So I will replace this as has one value. And now I will write my DAX function which is has one value. And under column name guys, I will write my column name. Let's say sales ID, which is from the sales table, and close the bracket. And now guys, I will take one table visual from here. And now I will add some column from here. So first column is sales ID, which is from the sales table. And now I will enter country. And now I will enter customer name, which is again from the sales table. And here you can also add sales. And now let me increase the value of this table. I will increase up to 15. And now I will increase the header size, which is again 15. So here is the table guys. Let me resize it. And now I will take two slicer from here. So under first slicer, I will put customer name. Let me resize it. And under second slicer, I will take sales ID. So let me search it here and simply drag and drop this sales ID from here. And last I will take one card visual from here and let me resize it and simply drag and drop this measure which we have created. So here you can see guys, here result is false. And now let's go to the reference page. So here you can read when the context for column name has been filtered down to one distinct value. That means we have to select any single value from here. Let's suppose I will select this Avinash Banerjee. So here we can see guys, we can filter the sales with Avinash Banerjee and here result is true. And if I select one more value from here, so here we can see guys, our answer is false because it is clearly mentioned here guys, the column name has been filtered down to one distinct value only. If you guys select more than one value, so it will displaying as result false. So let me uncheck this. And if you select from here guys, so it will again give you the same result, which is true. So I hope guys now you have clear understanding about has one value. Now move to the last topic of our today's class, which is has one filter. So to understand this has one filter, let's go to the Microsoft reference page. So guys, it returns the true when the number of directly filtered values on column name is 1. Otherwise, it returns false. So go to the Power BI desktop and quickly apply one DAX function from here. And this time I will take has one filter. So let me rename this as has one filter. And now I will apply a DAX function, which is has one filter. And again I will take sales ID here from sales table and close the bracket. So let me drag and drop this measure here and convert into card visual. So here we can see guys, we have get the same output, which is false. So if I click here in this slicer, so you can see guys, this value has changed, but has one filter has not changed. And let me uncheck this. And if I click here, so here we can see both the result has changed. And now comes to the difference guys. So under has one filter guys, it is clearly mentioned when the number of directly filter values on column name is 1. Otherwise it returns false. That means it is only filtered with direct connection. And now let's understand what is direct connection and what is indirect connection. So guys, if you see here this formula, so I have applied has one filter on sales ID. That means sales ID is a direct connection of this report. So if you go here in this measure, you can see guys, again we have taken the sales ID column. That means sales ID column is a direct relationship. On the basis of that, each value is filtered. So sales ID slicer is a direct relationship and customer name is a indirect relationship. And this has one value filter only on direct relationship, not indirect table. So this is the indirect table guys. So if I click it here, so this value will not change because this is only work on direct relationship. But this has one value work on direct as well as indirect. I hope guys now you have clear understanding about has one filter and has one value. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press bell icon else you will miss an update. And if anyone wants to learn Power BI from scratch, so here is the channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham, where you can learn Power BI from scratch. Under this 50 tutorial guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram channel where I am keep posting latest job openings. And I am also providing paid assistance. So those who are interested for the paid, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn link and Telegram channel link is given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.